Vehicle inspections are still being done the old way: paper checklists, scattered photos, and inconsistent reporting. That leads to missed inspection points, customer disputes, and no proper proof of vehicle condition. Now, Moiboo introduces digital inspection, smart checklists, mobile execution, and professional reports in minutes. Customers can set up predefined checklists for every job type, from service inspections to rental check-in and check-out to pre-purchase inspections. Simply assign the inspection to your staff and track progress instantly inside Moiboo. The assigned user can complete the inspection using the Moiboo mobile app, ticking items, adding notes, and capturing photos as proof. For workshops, it ensures every service inspection is consistent and complete. For rental companies, it creates clear check-in and check-out records, reducing disputes. For dealers, it delivers professional pre-purchase inspection reports that build buyer confidence. And once the inspection is complete, Moiboo generates a detailed report instantly, ready to share with your customer by WhatsApp or email. This means standardized inspections, fewer disputes, better transparency, and faster approvals every single time. Upgrade your inspection process with Moiboo Digital Inspection. Book a demo today.